rebound today. New York could see 40, but it will be short-lived because the temperatures are going to take a dive again and more snow is coming in. Stephanie Gosk, NBC News, New York.
Oh, we know those scenes all too well after we just got done with our cold snap here in the QCA, but now we are seeing those milder temperatures and plenty of sunshine. Looks like we have a red-tailed hawk enjoying the view here from our sky view camera in downtown Davenport. We are starting to see those clouds break up just a bit, and that is going to get our temperatures into the 40s. We do have a chance for flurries and light snow here as we head tonight into Thursday morning. This is looking a little less robust than what it was about 24 hours ago, so I don't think the Thursday morning commute will be impacted. But we are keeping a track of a stronger system on Friday that will bring some accumulating snow, especially as we head Friday evening into Friday night. Looks like the heaviest snow, however, will stay west of the Quad Cities, and we'll take a look at that in just a moment. Right now, we've got 39 at the Quad Cities International Airport with a light southwest wind, generally less than 10 miles per hour. So that's not giving much of a wind chill right now. And that's definitely some good news after we've been dealing with the sub-zero wind chills here over the last week or so. Temperatures across the area, we're at 34 degrees. That's one of the cooler spots in Savannah, 35 in Rock Falls, 38 degrees in Kewanee, 45 right now in Mount Pleasant, where we are getting some sunshine. It's 43 in Kiel. Visible satellite and radar shows, a little bit of activity on here in the form of some rain and maybe in a few wet snowflakes, but there's a lot of dry air at the surface, so a lot of this is evaporating before it reaches the ground. But we might see a sprinkle or maybe a couple of snowflakes, especially in our northern hometowns. But notice the back edge of the clouds here, just near the Iowa City area, and again, Mount Pleasant getting in on some sunshine. These clouds are going to continue to track southeast, so eventually we will see some sunshine here this afternoon. We have one clipper system in southern Canada that's quickly going to track off to the southeast. I think most of the impacts are going to stay north of the QCA, but we're still going to keep an eye on it here as we head late tonight into Thursday morning. But really the area that we're watching is this low pressure right now moving on to the Canada, Western Canadian and United States coast. Once this gets in, it's going to track toward Alberta, Canada, and then take a dive to the southeast. So now that this thing is on shore, we're going to get better data into our computer guidance, and that's going to give us a better idea on the track and the strength of that clipper, so we can get a really good idea on where we can pin down those snowfall amounts. No snow today. We will see that mostly cloudy to partly cloudy and eventually mostly sunny sky. Upper 30s to low 40s across our northern hometowns. Zone cast to the south has low to mid 40s, 46 degrees in Kwqc. Had we had no snow on the ground, we could easily get to the 50s today, but we're only going to top out in the lower 40s here in the Metro QC as we will see decreasing clouds. Future track, or exact track I should say, with clouds and precipitation shows that the clouds are going to move out here this afternoon, but just as quickly as they move out, they will move back in tonight as we do see that mostly cloudy sky. I showed you this model yesterday and it was painting some snow here in northeastern or northwestern Illinois, but you can see there's not a lot showing up, which is some good news. We might just see a few flurries or maybe a brief light snow shower. There's not a lot showing up here on exact track, but there is that possibility with that clipper moving through. Otherwise, we are just going to deal with a mostly cloudy sky here as we head into Thursday. 25 for the overnight low tonight, mostly cloudy with light snow and flurries late. We'll see that sunrise tomorrow at 7:27. A few flurries, otherwise mostly cloudy tomorrow. 36 for the daytime high. Those winds will be out of the northwest, and that is a sign of those cooler temperatures to come. Here's a look at exact track into Friday. The morning is dry, but by the time we get to the evening commute, 5 o'clock, that's when that snow is going to be moving into the QCA. There's going to be a sharp cutoff here in our northeastern county. So Sterling, Princeton, Dixon, likely going to see a sharp cutoff on those snow totals. The snow is going to continue here into Saturday morning. And as I mentioned, most of that snow, the heaviest of the snow is going to stay west of the Mississippi River. This is kind of an ensemble look at the model spread in snowfall. The lighter blues, obviously the lighter snow, the darker blues going to be the heavier snow. That's going to be a trend that we continue to watch, but it does look like the heaviest is going to stay west of the Mississippi River. That snow will wrap up here Saturday morning. We'll have temperatures in the 20s. Back down into the single digits here as we head Saturday night into Sunday, but then temperatures do rebound back toward normal here as we head into MLK Day and into early next week. So right as we're melting that snow and ice, we're going to add another layer here as we head into Friday night and Saturday, especially west of the Mississippi.
Well, at least it'll clean it up a little bit because there's nothing worse than that brown snow we're looking at right now. Right?
I know. And, you know, if you can get your car cleaned here today or tomorrow, it might be a good idea to do that as well. I know mine's got all that salt and grime on it.
I'm sure the car washes are popular.
Most definitely.
Thank you so much, Kyle.
You're welcome.